Good morning, students. In previous class, we know that the integrate of the functions f of x to the power of n into f dash of x with respect to x form. So next one, another one form is the method of the substitution method of substitution. Method of substitutions. Integral of the form ax, integral of ax plus b to the power of n with respect to x. Integral of f of x with respect to x. Integral of f of x with respect to x form. That form is put t is equal to ax plus b, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So yes, dt divided by dx equal to a is a constant into functions is a constant into functions is x with respect to x is 1 plus b is a constant is a into 1 is a. So dt divided by dx. So dt is equal to a into dx. So is dt divided by a is equal to dx. So is therefore integrate of ax plus b to the power of n is equal to t to the power of n into dt divided by a is 1 by a. So 1 by a into t to the power of n is t to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So is 1 by a into t to the power of t andre ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So therefore, integrate of ax plus b to the power of n with respect to x is equal to 1 by a into ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. Next one is another one is form integrate of 1 divided by ax plus b with respect to x. Second one form is the first one form is second one form. The integrate of the 1 divided by ax plus b to the power of b into dx form. Is same, put t is equal to ax plus b. So differentiate with respect to x. Dt divided by dx is equal to a. Dt divided by dx is equal to a. Dt is equal to a into dx. Dt divided by a is equal to dx. Same that is integrate of 1 by t into dt divided by a is 1 by equal to 1 by a into integrate of the 1 by t is log t plus c. So equal to 1 by a into log of t is equal to ax plus b plus c. So is the integrate of the 1 divided by ax plus b with respect to x to andre. So equal to 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ method of the substitution of the form first one second one forms. Okay, examples is solve integrate of the, so 2x plus b plus 3 to the power of p with respect to x. Integrate of the, so 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 with respect to x. Is up to t is equal to 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, put t is equal to 2x plus 3. So dt equal to 2 into x with respect to x is 1 to dx. So dt divided by 2 equal to dx. So equal to integrate of t to the power of 3 into dt divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into t to the power of 3 is equal to t to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. So 1 by 8 into t is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 4 plus c. Plus c is the answer. Next one is the integrate of the, so 4x plus 5 to the power of 8 with respect to x. 4x plus 5 to the power of 8 with respect to x equal to, directly is written as 1 by 4 into, so 4x plus 5 to the power of 8 plus 1 is 9 plus c is the answer. Okay, so is ax plus b to the power of n ಫಾರಂ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ, ಸೊ is 2x minus 5 to the power of 7 with respect to x equal to, so 1 by 2 into 2x plus minus 5 to the power of 8 divided by 8 plus c. So divided by 9, sorry. So by 8 plus c. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ, so is 7x minus 1 to the power of 3 with respect to x equal to 1 by 7 into 7x minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 7 divided by, so 4 plus 1 3 plus 1 is 4 plus c. So is the answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, integrate of the 1 divided by 2x minus 3 with respect to x. So is in the form of 1 divided by x plus b form is 1 by a. 1 by a is 1 by 2 into log of, so 2x minus 3 plus c. So is integrate of 1 divided by 8x plus 5 with respect to x equal to 1 by 8 into log of, so 8x plus 5 plus c. So next one is integrate of, so 1 divided by 5x minus 7 with respect to x is equal to 1 by 5 into log of 5x minus 7 plus c. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 1 divided by 2x minus 3, integrate of the 1 divided by 8x plus 5, integrate of the 1 divided by 5x minus 7. So is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 2x minus 3 plus c. So your second one is 1 divided by 8 into log of 8x plus 5 plus c. So third one is 1 divided by 5 into log of 5x minus 7 plus c. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. Okay. Next one for is integrate of the sine of ax plus b with respect to x. Same that is put t is equal to ax plus b. So is dt is equal to a into x with respect to x is dx. dt divided by a is equal to dx. So equal to integrate of the sine of the t into dt divided by a is 1 by a. So equal to 1 divided by a into, so integrate of the sine t is minus cos t plus c is minus 1 by a into cos of t is equal to ax plus b plus c. So therefore integrate of the sine of ax plus b with respect to x is equal to 1 by a into minus 1 by a into cos of ax plus b plus c. So here the answer. Integrate of the sine of ax plus b with respect to x is equal to minus 1 by a into cos of ax plus b plus c for. In case, so b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. So integrate of the sine of ax with respect to x is equal to 1 by a minus cos of the ax plus c. Same that is the integrate of the cos of ax with respect to x is equal to 1 by a into sine of ax plus c. Integrate of the tan of ax with respect to x is equal to tan of ax is equal to 1 by a into so tan ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ log of secant x log of secant of ax plus c. So integrate of the cot ax with respect to x is equal to, so minus 1 by a into log of, so is a sin x 1 by a la, so sin of ax plus c. Next one is integrate of the secant square ax with respect to x is equal to minus 1 divided by a into tan of ax plus c. So next one is integrate of the cosecant square of ax with respect to x is equal to minus 1 by a into, so is a cot of ax plus c. Cot of ax plus c. So next one is integrate of the secant ax into tan ax with respect to x is equal to 1 by a into secant ax plus c. So is the integrate of the cosecant ax into cot ax with respect to x is equal to minus 1 by a into, so cosecant ax plus c. Okay, example. Integrate of the sin 7x with respect to x is equal to, so minus 1 divided by 7 into cos of 7x plus c. Integrate of the cos of 3x with respect to x is equal to, so 1 divided by 3 into sin of 3x plus c. So integrate of the secant square, so 2x with respect to x is equal to 1 by 2 into tan of 2x plus c. So ಈ ತರ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ integrate of the square root of 1 plus sin 2x with respect to x. 1 plus sin 2x with respect to x. So is integrate of the square root of 1 is also written as sin square x plus cos square x. So plus sin 2x is also written as 2 sin x into cos x with respect to x is integrate of the square root of sin x plus cos x whole square with respect to x. Square root get cancelled. Is integrate of the sin x plus cos x with respect to x is integrate of the sin x plus integrate of the cos x with respect to x. Integrate of the sin x is cos x, so plus integrate of the sin cos x is sin x plus c. Same that is the integrate of the square root of 1 minus sin 2x with respect to x. Sin 2x with respect to x. Same. Okay. Next, integrate of the secant x. Integrate of the secant x with respect to x. ಬಳಸ್ರಿ 2 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So integrate of the secant x is solve multiply and divide by secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x with respect to x. So is the integrate of the secant x into secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x with respect to x is integrate of the secant square x plus secant x into tan x divided by secant x into plus tan x. So is integral of the function is put t is equal to secant x plus tan x. D secant x is secant x into tan x plus tan x is secant square x. So into dx. So is about the form is secant square x is dt divided by so t. So 1 by t is log t. So log t plus c equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus c. ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ secant x ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Next one, integrate of the sin square x with respect to x, integrate of the cos square x with respect to x, cos square x. So is integrate of the sin square x is also written as, so cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, or cos 2x is equal to 1 2 cos square x minus 1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ sin square x ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲಿ 2 sin square x ಹಂಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 minus cos 2x. ಈ sin square x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 with respect to x. So is integrate of the 1 by 2 with respect to x minus integrate of the cos 2x with respect to x equal to 1 by 2 into integrate of the 1 is x minus cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus. So here the answer is 1 by 2x minus sin 2x divided by 2 plus. So next one is another one is cos square x is also written as cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. ಈ 2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 is equal to cos square x. So equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 with respect to x is integrate of the 1 by 2 into dx plus 1 by 2 into integrate of the cos 2x with respect to x equal to 1 by 2 into so x plus 1 by 2 into so cos 2x is equal to minus plus sin 2x divided by 2 plus integrate of the sin 3x sin cube of x with respect to x. So integrate of the cos cube of x with respect to x. So sin cube of x is equal to sin cube of x is so written as sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to first here 3 minus 4. So 3 sin x is sin cube of x. So now so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 sin cube of x ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲಿ. So equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. ಸರಿನಾ? ये sin cube of x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. So equal to integrate of the so 3 sin x by 4 by 4 minus integrate of the sin 3x divided by 4 with respect to x is 3 by 4 is the common into integrate of the sin x with respect to x minus 1 by 4 into integrate of the sin 3x with respect to x is 3 by 4 into sin 3x, sin x is minus cos x. So minus 1 by 4 into, so sin 3x is equal to minus into minus plus, so is cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Say that is cos cube of x is equal to cos 3x. Cos 3x is equal to, so 4 minus 3. So cos cube of x minus 3 cos x. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ 4 cos cube of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ so cos 3x plus 3 cos x ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೌದಾ so 4 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ cos cube of x equal to 1 by 4 into so cos 3x plus 3 cos x ಸರಿನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ integrate of the cos cube of x is 1 by 4 into so cos 3x plus 3 cos x with respect to x 1 by 4 into integrate of the cos 3x so plus 3 by 4 into integrate of the cos x with respect to x is 1 by 4 into cos cube of x is equal to sin 3x divided by t plus 3 by 4 into cos x is sin x plus c. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 1 ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. sin 4x into cos 2x with respect to x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ s ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕದ್ದು 2sc. ಸೊ s ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2cs. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2cc. ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2ss ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ 2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ 2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin of 4x minus 2x divided by 2 with respect to x. ಸರಿನಾ? ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ sin of 6x by 2 so plus integrate of the sin 2x divided by 2 with respect to x. 1 by 2 into sin 6x is minus cos 6x divided by 6 plus 1 by 2 into so minus is cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯೇ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cos of 3x into cos x with respect to x. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cos 7x into cos 3x with respect to x. ಹೌದಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ sin of 5x into sin of x with respect to x. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೊ sin of 2x into sin x with respect to x. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Integrate of the cos 3x into sin x with respect to x. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Integrate of the sin of 9x into sin of 3x with respect to x. First, cos 3x. So first one, ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದಿನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅವನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ದವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, thank you.